Oh, look at this car behind me.
I see them right up your ass, but now I can't see them at all. You know, they're about to get their wish. They're going the distance. They're not going to go at all. Oh, there they come. Jesus.
I don't just kill that guy.